Okay, so I hope you all are about aware of these e-classes. Let me give a small introduction about this one again. So my name is Ram Boyapati. I have around 13 years of experience in IT industry. In this 13 years of experience, I've been working for the SQL Server, MSPA Stack, and Power BI Data Analyst, Azure Data Engineering. And from last 7 years, I'm providing these IT trainings and placements. I started this e-classes IT trainings in 2016 and our office is located in Amirpet, Hyderabad location. So if anybody wants to visit our office also, you can able to visit and you can see our website eclasses.com. So under this eclasses.com, you can see these are all the this is our office infrastructure where we are having it over here. Okay, so this is our main head office in Hyderabad, Amirpet over here. So with this 7 years of experience, whatever I've been working, so I got our e-classes institution providing a opportunity to many students to upskill their technologies and also got placed in top MNC companies. So e-classes is offering the live classes and recording videos and daily class notes and tests we are going to conduct, and we are going to conduct the chart directly with the trainers, and we are going to provide you the resumes and the certification guidance as well. All those things we are offering from our LMS portal. So we have a LMS portal and we have a mobile app access as well. If anybody wants to register in our LMS portal, simply you can go to learn.eclasses.com website over here, and here you can able to click on this login option and you can register with your mobile number to log into our LMS portal to get more free courses and all the services what the e-classes is going to offer it over here. So I'm pinging this link inside the chat. So I'm requesting all of you, please register on this LMS portal with your mobile number or with your email address. And you can keep in touch with directly chat with the trainers if you have any doubts and clarifications and everything. Even our live sessions and recording videos also we are going to offer from this one only. And also you can download our e-classes mobile app also by clicking on that link. You can click on the download. So it will ask the organization code when you are register. So you can enter SUFKN is my organization code as well. So I'm requesting all of you, please register into our LMS portal as well. Okay, so with this 7 years of experience, what I have observed with the many students, when the people are trying to learn the courses, if you see, most of the students are completing their graduation or post graduation, and they want to become a software engineers. The moment when they want to become a software engineers, they have different kind of background, people are visiting our office, and when I was interacting with the people, I have categorized those people into four different categories. So the one category is about the people who are all passed out of 2010 and 2022. So they have completed their graduation or post graduation in between 2010 or 22, and they have a IT job fresher. Let's for example I have completed my graduation in 2012. So when I completed my graduation in 2012, immediately I was joined as a IT job in a campus or walk in. I got a IT job as a fresher, and so far from last 10 to 12 years I've been working on the Java, .NET or testing, all those things. But now I have realized I want to learn a demanding technology in the market. What is the demanding technology in the market? Whichever the course we have, so I want to learn that one. So definitely after you are completing this course, you are going to keep like a 2 to 4 years of experience over here. The other candidate is the person who is working in a non-IT job. After completion of his graduation, post graduation, instead of IT job, he goes to the non-IT job over here. So under the non-IT job, he can work like a US recruiter, customer care support, accountant, Google Maps, network admin, teacher, faculty, civil, mechanical, and manufacturing. So these are all the things he is going to work it over here. But even if you are working in non-IT jobs, even if you are working 2 to 5 years, you are still having 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 2 lakhs of the packages only. So definitely these kind of people wants to move into the IT. So they want to change their domain from non-IT to IT. So definitely these people also going to be keeping of their experience, their non-IT experience into IT by learning of this course. And the third category is the, like they are also passed out of their graduation or post graduation in 2010 to 2022, but not getting any job. They were not doing any job. They were just doing a business or preparing for the government exams like a civils, groups, banks. They still have the career gap over here. They still have the career gap over here. And after learning this course, they are going to keep 2 to 5 years of experience on this particular technology. And the fourth category is about the freshers. So they are like a recently passed out freshers, 2023 to 24. So just they have a 0 years of experience, and some companies are looking for a trained freshers over here. Some companies are looking for a trained freshers over here. Trained freshers. So I hope all of you whoever joined this demo session, definitely you belongs to any of one category. So I just want to understand like who are all belongs to which category over here. Okay. So let's like if you are belongs to category one, can you please ping me the number? Which category you are belongs? Out of 1 to 4, you guys belongs to which category? Can you send me a number in the chat group? I need a response from everyone. Yeah. So some people belongs to 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So like many people like a category belongs to 140 percentage, category 2 belongs to 30 percentage, category 3 belongs to 30 percentage, category 4 belongs to 2 to 3 percentage only. So definitely like whatever the previous experience you have, you are going to keep on this one. It's like a 2 to 5 years of experience over here. Correct? Okay. So first, like whatever the regular trainings what you are taking, and from every institution, so is that going to help you to crack the interviews immediately after 2 to 5 years of experience? May not. Out of 100 people, how many people are getting placed? Hardly 20% of the people. Then why the other 80% of the people are not able to placed? The reason because the clear roadmap. You need a roadmap, clear roadmap to learn the course. So whenever you are going to learn these courses, when you are coming to from non-IT to IT, or in IT only but different technology, and the people who are all having career gap, so they want to choose a right course with less coding. So definitely I can say Power BI is one of the easiest and zero coding technology. Power BI is zero code technology. So we are not going to write down even single line of the code inside this one. That is the reason this Power BI is a entry for the people who wants to come to IT industry with zero coding technology. Easily you can able to learn even if you are coming from any kind of background, and you can able to get the job. And like there are like after completion of this Power BI training, so you can able to do a certification of the PL 300 certification as well. So the Power BI demand is rising day by day because of the more companies are using data analytics platform. So what exactly a data analytics platform, and especially this Power BI, how it is going to help to the customers? Let's take it to one use case scenario over here. For example, I have a supermarkets. I have a supermarkets over here. So in every supermarket, there are like some customers are going to be. This is one supermarket in US. This is another supermarket in India. So whatever the supermarkets we have, in every supermarket there are some billing counters. This is one billing counter. This is another billing counter. So whatever the supermarkets, this is all about like a transactions when in a supermarkets are happening, the transactions data will come and store in the backend somewhere the databases. So this is for US supermarket, and this is for India supermarket. This is for India supermarket. So as a customer, daily you are going to visiting of this supermarket. As a customer, you are going to visiting of the supermarket. You are purchasing of the products. When you are purchasing the products, then definitely we are going to saving of your transaction details in the backend somewhere in a database over here. Definitely every transactions data we are going to save in the backend database. Every transaction data we are going to save in the backend database over here. Done. So once we are saving the data in a backend database, as a business owner, I am the business owner. Definitely, I want to understand key insights about my business. Otherwise, how can I take the decisions? When I'm running a business, as a business owner, I need to take some decisions. So the decisions what I'm going to take, is it a right decision or wrong decision or a blind decision? So how that can be taken? That can be taken based on the business how it is happening. According to that, you need to take the decision making. So to take a right decision, definitely you should have a right reporting. If your managers or if your salesman or if your business leads or your salespersons are giving a wrong report to you, definitely your decision is going to be wrong. So that is the reason to make your business insights reports. Okay, all those things we are going to create like a reports. So we are going to designing of the reports over here. So to design the reports, what we are doing, we are going to use a softwares that is going to be Power BI. So Power BI is one of the reporting. Power BI is a advanced advanced reporting and analysis course, analysis tool. So by using this Power BI, we can able to perform the reports and dashboards. What kind of reports? Let's for example, what is the total sales in the last, in this, in today? What are the top 10 products with the highest sales? What are the bottom 10 products with the least sales? Okay, what are the top 10 products? What are the bottom 10 products last year versus current year sales? Last year versus current year sales. Last 12 months, what is the sales? And what is the sales for next month? What do you mean by next month? How can it say next month sales? It can be say like a previous month, what is the sales? We can understand. But next month sales, how it is going to be understanding over here. So we can't, right? So that is the reason this Power BI will give you that information. So earlier to Power BI, there are some other reporting tools are there. What are the other reporting tools are there in the market earlier? Excel, SSRS, and Cognos, MicroStrategy, MicroStrategy. These are all the reporting tools are there. Excel, SSRS, Cognos. These are only reporting tools, not the data analysis tools. So what is a reporting and what is a analysis? What is a reporting? What is a analysis? Let's for example, I am going to design one report. Last 10 years, sorry, last 12 months, what is the sales amount? So by taking the data from this business server, by taking the data from this business database server, I have designed one report from last 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So what is the sales amount we are going to display? All of sudden, in one of the month, there is a lot of sales was coming down. Let's take this one. All of a sudden, in December, in November, my sales got down. Let's take it to October. Displaying of each month wise sales amount is a report. The best example for reporting is each month wise sales amount, like a column chart. Each month wise sales amount, like a column chart. That is called reporting. You are just reporting, hey, this is the sales for each month by January, February, March, April. Whatever the sales is all of sudden down in the October. Why the sales amount all of sudden coming down in October month? I need a reason. This is called data analysis. To finding the specific reason about this data all of sudden spike down. This is called analysis. The earlier days, whatever the reporting tools by using a Excel, SSRS, Cognos, MicroStrategy, for our customers, we are simply able to providing the reporting only. Just providing last 12 months, January, how much sales, February, August, October, September, November. When he is observing that in October month, he got very, very, very less sales all of sudden. But you want to understand the reason, right? If he understand the reason, then only he can able to take the decision. Let's, for example, I'm running a ice cream parlor. So ice cream parlor in November, all of a sudden my sales is coming down. The reason because November is a cold month. In November, the people were not buying the ice creams, were not eating the ice creams. So definitely, as a business owner, what I will do, I will maintain the less stock over here. And in these ice cream parlors, I will try to introduce something hot, egg puffs, something like this, some hot items in this month I will sell, then I can manage my business. So this is how to take a right decisions. Definitely you need a reporting and you need a data analysis over here. So earlier days, the reporting tools what we are using, Excel, SSRS, Cognos, MicroStrategy, they were not supporting to do more in-depth analysis on the data, more in depth on the data analysis. We are not able to do it over here. So that is the reason what I am going to do. I am going to use this advanced latest reporting tools like a Power BI and Tableau and ClickView. These are the advanced reporting tools in the market with more interactivity. And also earlier days the tools were not supporting to connecting to the many data sources. For example, I have some data in a Facebook, I have some data in a Twitter, I have some data in an Instagram. So these tools are not supporting to connect, but now these tools you can able to connect into many number of data sources. Almost 200 plus data sources you can able to connect by using this Power BI. Your data might be in 200 plus places. Power BI is going to be connecting over here. So inside this Power BI, like there are four different kind of major components you are going to learn inside this course. One is about the Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop is a Windows based application. You can able to download and install to design the reports. It is something similar like your Excel over here. Here you can see this is my Power BI desktop. Then what I'm going to do, by using this Power BI desktop installed in my computer, I will connecting to my data sources. Let me try to show you. Already I have installed a Power BI desktop in my computer. Simply go over here, open this Power BI desktop. So this is my Power BI desktop, and here I can able to open the report what I have designed earlier, e-classes report. So inside this Power BI desktop, it's a free of cost. Anybody can able to download and install, and then by using this Power BI desktop, you can connecting to your data. So your data might be in a excel file or a text file, csv file, or a any kind of file, your data in a sql server, facebook, or a twitter. And then you can take that data into this power bi desktop, and you can able to design the reports and dashboards. You can able to design the reports and dashboards over here. See here, there is a get data option. So by using this get data, what data source you want to connect, so simply click on more to see what are all the data sources it is supporting. Click on this connect more, and here you can see there are so many data sources: file, database, microsoft fabric, power platform, azure, online services. So many data sources you can able to connect it over here. If you want to connect to excel, text, xml, json, folder, pdf, parquet, sharepoint, anything you can able to connect. Okay, and you can able to connect into the databases like oracle database, sql server, snowflake, and many things you can able to connect it over here. And also you can able to connect into the microsoft azure. So in this training I'm going to uh, teach you almost 20 plus data sources. I'm going to teach you 20 plus data sources. So when you are going to join Power BI training any institution, simply ask them how many data sources you are going to cover in this training to bring the data. I'm going to connect text file, CSV file, Excel file, JSON file, XML file, Parquet file, folder, website. I'm going to connect into SQL server, Oracle database, and I'm going to connect into the Snowflake. I'm going to connect into the Azure Blob Storage, Azure Table Storage. I'm going to connect to the Azure SQL database and Azure Synapse dedicated SQL pool. Okay, and so these are all the data sources I'm going to connecting in my training part. If any institution, if they're offering these many data sources to you, you can join over there. Are they going to connecting to these many data sources or not? In their training, are they going to cover these many data sources or not? Because when you are joining to a company, they might ask you what are all the data sources you have used, and in their projects they might have a different kind of data sources. You should have a clear exposure on that one. So that's the reason I'm requesting all of you, learn these many data sources when you are going to connect to design the reports over here. This is one very quick thing. This is very important, you need to cross check, because otherwise they will do, they will take you always a text file or csv file or only sql server sample data, they will take it. Okay, so don't recommend if they are just using 2 to 3 data sources only. This is only fair enough to cross verify whether like they are going to provide in-depth training or not. Okay, so in fact I can say like very proudly, I'm the first trainer for Power BI in India. Even if you can go to our YouTube channel and you can see our Power BI videos, I'm the first person who uploaded Power BI videos in the YouTube channel. You never see even any Power BI video uploaded it before me. In 2016, I started the Power BI training in India. That time there is no trainer for Power BI. I was the first trainer for Power BI in 2016. I started. You can see a lot of videos I have uploaded over there as well. So as a part of this Power BI here, first we are going to set up this Power BI desktop and connecting to different data sources over here. Whatever the data source you want to connect, you can able to select and you can able to bring the data inside this Power BI desktop. So then after here you can see there are different kind of visualizations available. Just simply drag and drop the visualizations and you can able to design this kind of stunning reports. We are not going to write any coding over here. Simply we are going to drag and drop and designing of the reports over here. Okay, so I'm going to cover completely in this Power BI desktop. There is a transformations like how to perform the transformation cleaning of the data what you are bringing from your data sources. This is called a Power Query editor. So inside this Power BI desktop, I'm going to cover complete Power BI desktop, how to apply all these kind of transformations and techniques over here, each and every transformation. Because see, some institutions they are telling we are going to cover Power Query Editor, but you don't know what things they are going to cover inside the Power Query Editor. They might complete only few things. They might complete only 5 to 6 items only. You don't know, right? So you need a in detail. So you need a promise. We are going to cover every transformation techniques what we have inside that one. So inside this training, I'm going to cover this Power Query Editor as well. Inside the Power BI desktop, we are going to cover the Power Query Editor, that is for cleaning and transforming the data. Then after Power BI data modeling. So the data modeling concepts are very important in anywhere, not only in this Power BI tool. If you are going to learn and work on the any data side, data modeling concepts are very important. Simply you can go to the data modeling, but many institutions what they are telling, they are going to just making you the creating of the relationships here. But you should learn thoroughly what is a data warehousing. All the data warehousing concepts you need to learn thoroughly. Here I am going to cover the complete data warehousing concepts also. I'm going to teach you like what is data warehousing, what is the ER modeling, star schema, snowflake schema, dimensional models, and fact tables. These are the data warehousing concepts. If you don't know these data warehousing concepts, you will never understand the reporting and all those things. So you just please check with them. Are they going to cover these data warehousing concepts or not? Okay, this is very important. Then after inside this Power BI desktop, the complete all the options we are going to cover it over here along with the Power Query Editor. Okay, so Power Query Editor and Power BI data modeling things we are going to cover it over here along with the data warehousing. Okay, so after completion of this data Power BI desktop inside the Power Query Editor, Power BI data modeling, then we are going to designing of the visualizations. So these are the visualizations part. So the third part what we are going to cover is data visualization. Power BI report visualizations. These things we are going to cover. So once you are completing all these three things, then your report design is completed. Once your report design is completed, then what you are going to do? So how you are going to share these reports to the customers? To share these reports to the customers, simply we are going to publishing into a website. What is that website? It's a Power BI website. We can call this as a Power BI online cloud service. It's going to be Power BI online cloud. It's going to be Power BI online cloud services over here. We can call this as a website also. Power BI online cloud services over here. Power BI desktop, Power BI Power Query Editor, Power BI data modeling, Power BI report visualization. So this is a website. What is the website? www.app.powerbi.com. www.app.powerbi.com. By using this www.app.powerbi.com, you guys can able to publishing of your reports inside this one. Okay, so let me try to log in app.powerbi.com. Then we can see this one app.powerbi.com. So here you can able to see the reports whatever you have published. So I have published this report e classes hello. Let me show you that report. See here, this is the report. So whatever the reports you have published over here, this you can able to share to your customers by clicking on share, and then you can able to enter your customer email address. So report will be sent to your this report will be sent to your customer. And how to publish the report, what you have designed here, see there is a publish option. So once you are publishing, where the report will come, once you are publishing, the report will come to app.powerbi.com. So this app.powerbi.com is a website managed by Microsoft. So that is the reason some clients they were not interested to use this public cloud app.powerbi.com. So they need a confidential server, whichever they are in their manage and their control. So that is called Power BI report server. So either you can publish your reports into the Power BI online services, or you can publish into the Power BI report server over here. Either you can publish into the Power BI report server or into the Power BI online services. And We are going to cover completely inside this Power BI online services and this other one, the Power BI report server, how to design a paginated reports, paginated reports inside, everything we are going to cover. And whatever the reports you are publishing into the Power BI online services, Power BI report server, we are simply viewing these reports by using a Power BI mobile app as well. If you want to see the reports by using the Power BI mobile app, you can able to use this one. So the Power BI mobile app also we can able to download and install in our computer. We can able to download and install in our computer. This is how we are able to do. Okay. So total four components: Power BI desktop and Power BI cloud online services, Power BI online cloud, and Power BI report server, and then Power BI mobile app. These four components I am going to cover you thoroughly. And apart from this, like inside the Power BI desktop, when you are going to do write down some calculations, small functions, small calculations we are going to do. Those we are going to use some DAX functions. Very simple. In Excel, how you are writing, same kind of things. So let me show you the content what I'm going to cover inside this training completely. First, let me complete about the data warehousing concepts and all the software installations of the Power BI and some sample databases, different data sources I'm going to cover. And then after Power BI desktop and inside the Power BI desktop Power Query editor, and then after the Power BI online cloud services like implementing the row level securities and permission security and all those things, Power BI apps how to publish and everything, and Power BI report server I'm going to cover it over here, and the DAX functions Power BI mobile app. Apart from this, I'm going to cover a few more scenario based in the real time how the people are going to be use the Power BI, and one sample project we are going to cover end to end over here. Okay, so we are helping you to prepare on the resume as well. So whatever this Power BI course you are going to learn, after completion of this course, how many years of experience I can able to keep on this Power BI? After completion of this Power BI, you can put up to 4 to 5 years experience also you can able to keep. That much expertise you will gain here. I will provide you the interview questions and answers as well, so you can simply provide you can prepare that interview questions. And one more very important thing over here is, so do we need any prerequisites or do we need to learn anything else with this Power BI course? There is no prerequisite, but because of the competition in the market, to get your resume more filtered and to get the job as early as possible, along with this Power BI, I want you to recommend to learn two more things. The basic SQL server and basic Python also you can able to learn. So we were offering these two courses, the basic SQL MS SQL course, just for 299 rupees only. 20 hours live classes we are going to cover, 20 hours live sessions just for 299 only. This we are going to start in the next session. I mean next week. And one more, Python for data analysis. Python for data analysis. Just 599 only we are going to offer this course. It's a 25 hours live sessions we are going to conducting over here. These two courses will help you a lot for the Power BI developer. So when you are going to keep your regime on the Power BI, if you are keeping this SQL and Python also you have the experience, then better you can able to, you will get a lot of confidence on your profile as well. After completion of this course, you can able to do the certification PL300. If you are keeping your certification also in your resume, there is a lot of weightage for your profile. There is a lot of weightage for your profile as well. So this has already started on coming from Monday. It is going to be start. Power BI also we are going to start from this Monday, and MS SQL will start after 1 week. So parallelly with Power BI, so you can learn MS SQL and Python as well. That will help you a lot because this is just like a 599. Actually, the course price this one is 7,000. This cost also 7,000, but we are offering for 299, 599 for our students who are going to. enroll for Power BI as well. So the Power BI cost of this course is actual price is 13,000, but for this batch we are going to offer it's just like a 499. This is the price if you are enrolling today. Okay, so with this one 10,000 rupees, 299 rupees, 599 rupees, you are getting almost, this is going to be 40 hours duration of the course. Power BI I am going to conduct 40 hours duration. 40 hours duration. So this is a 40 hours duration. If you want to learn, it's not mandatory. SQL 20 hours, this is 25 hours. So once you are learning all this combo pack, then you can apply for a jobs like a data analyst. You are going to do a data analysis by using a tool Power BI. That is the reason we are calling you as a data analyst also. Okay, if you need the course content and all those details, so I hope all of you fill the form already. So if you already fill the form, then you will receive a call today from our executive. If anybody wants to speak with me personally about your career and all those things, so I'm recommending and requesting to call back to this number. That number is 7989781302. So this is the number you can able to reach out for any course content related to SQL, Python, and Power BI. Then you can able to get these brochures and you can go through that, and you can register in our LMS portal and download our mobile app as well, and you can able to join the live sessions. So our team will inform you the timings and the class link to join the sessions. So these sessions are going to start from the Monday onwards only. So from Monday 7 a.m. we have a Power BI regular training. You can use the uh, same meeting link. Okay, same meeting link you can able to use on Monday 7 a.m. IST onwards. So our team will reach out to you anyhow again, and you can discuss with them. So now if you guys have any questions, please let me know, then you can raise your hands. Any questions so far on this one?
Hi, my name is Venkatesh. Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, so I have a gap. So how can we fill that one? I mean,
Yeah,
how to
that you
put a
can call
resume?
to that number. So that's one on one we can discuss about this one.
Okay, okay, okay.